Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This video I'm going to show you guys how to synchronize your audio and video if you are recording using different device, video different one, and then the audio is different one. This is really common if you are using a external microphone or phone as a microphone, and then you're shooting the footage or the video using your more savvy video recorder. So what you have to do, when you do recording, I will show you the result. What you have to do at the beginning of your recording, make sure you clap several times. So as you can see, I'm clapping here. Wait, here I'm clapping here. This is for the benchmark or the point I have to synchronize the audio. So the clap commonly has like this, the spike of the clap itself. So you clap your hands several times. For me, I think 3 to 4 times enough. And then you import all the files, and then on the video you just extract the audio, and then you do fitting your external, the different file of audio, and then you just fitting spike to the spike. You can see this is the spike, this is the spike. Oh, this because this is 4 times I clapping, and then here the 4 clap on the original audio, so I just using this one. So I just fitting, it's really easy. And then I will random check on the other timeline, and then I will find the other spike or extreme graphic like this. So I think it's enough. I think it's already fit the audio and the original video audio. So, and then I will remove the original audio from the video recorder, or just delete it. And then as you can see, this is the audio, and this is the video, and then this is this is the audio. And then I just play. That's it. That's very cool. And then you just trim just after you clapping your hand like this. You just press Ctrl B, and then the Ctrl D. Then you delete it, and then you move your video and the new audio into the left, on the very left of your timeline. Oh, at the beginning, make sure you turn off this turn on main track magnet. So if you turn it off, or you just press P on your keyboard, if you turn it off, you're able to move your main video through the timeline, even if there is a blank timeline here. Okay, that is this very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. Visit this channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.